Your house stinks and you can't smell it. That's not an insult, that's biology. Your nose shuts off any smell you live in after about a week. So every person who has walked through your front door in the last year knows something about your home that you don't. And I'm going to tell you exactly where it's coming from, because after 13 years in other people's houses, it is never where they think. It is not your dog. It's oil. Dogs and cats push out body oil constantly. Every surface they touch takes some. And oil doesn't evaporate. It sits there, it builds up, and it goes rancid. So the smell in your house right now isn't your animal. It's the oil your animal left 3 months ago rotting. Now here's where it actually is, and this is the part that gets people. It's not spread out. Your animals lay in the same 4 spots every single day. Same square of carpet by the window. Same end of the couch, always the good end. Those spots are saturated, but it does not stop at the floor. They lean on your walls. They rub the corner of the hallway. They squeeze past your door jambs 100 times a day, leaving oil at exactly their height. Stop the video. Go look at the wall next to where your dog sleeps. Go look at your door jamb about knee-high. There's a shadow there. It's been there for years. Your brain filed it under wall. Nobody washes a door jamb. Nobody has ever washed a door jamb. It is not on a single cleaning list in the history of cleaning lists, and that is why the smell survives everything you do. You can shampoo that carpet until it's perfect and the room still smells, because most of the source was never on the floor. Here's the proof, and every one of you has lived this. You go away for a week, a see-off because you're not paying to cool an empty house. You come home, open the door, and it hits you like a wall. Wet dog, kennel. Your house has never smelled like that. Except it always has. Heat and humidity woke every one of those oils up at the same time. That's it. That's the whole trick. Then you flip the AC on, it's gone by tomorrow, and you decide the house was just closed up too long. Nothing got fixed. You dropped the temperature. The smell went back to sleep, and it is waiting for the next hot day. And here's the kicker. That oil isn't just smelling. It's glue. Sand walks in on your shoes, lands on oil-soaked carpet, and sticks instead of sitting loose where a vacuum could get it. Now every step grinds it into the fiber. So a house with animals doesn't just smell worse. The carpet physically dies years earlier. Same oil, 2 problems. Now the fix. And I'm going to be honest about which half is yours. Your half, white vinegar and water. Wipe your walls, your doors, and your door jambs. $3, 20 minutes, and it will do more for your house than every candle you've ever bought combined. Put a blanket where they lay and wash it weekly. That one habit stops the saturation before it starts. Vacuum more than you think you need to, because every hair you leave in there is holding oil. My half. The oil in your carpet and your couch is not on the surface. It's down in the pile and soaked into cushion foam. Nothing you spray reaches it, ever. It has to be chemically released and physically pulled out. An alkaline to break it off the fiber. Hot water extraction with real heat and real vacuum to remove it. Then an acid rinse to neutralize. Skip that rinse and you leave sticky residue behind that grabs more sand than you started with. And upholstery matters as much as the floor. If they're on the couch, that couch is holding just as much, and it's a lot closer to your face. One warning, because I'd rather say it now than hear about it later. When I show up with a truck mount putting hot steam into your house, that's the same trigger as the vacation. For about a day, spots I did not touch may speak up. That's not the cleaning failing, that's the rest of your house finally saying something. So, wipe the walls and jambs. Blanket where they lay. Vacuum more. Carpets and upholstery every 6 months with animals, not once a year. You will not smell the difference. You can't. But your guests will. And the next time you come home from a week away and open that door, nothing is going to hit you. Spiker Carpet and Tile Care. 13 years owner-operated. I'll tell you the truth about your house whether you hire me or not.